Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to fix Windscribe VPN not connecting. So let's just dive in. So first of all, a lot of time this is happening due to your active internet connection. So make sure to head over to your settings, and from there make sure to check that you have an active internet connection. So once you check that, you're going to be making sure that everything looks perfectly fine and you have everything going good. And once you have that ready, make sure to head over to the official platform and check this out, that you are doing the correct method of connecting your VPN. So what you need to do is simply head over to this little plus icon, and you can see we have this emergency can't connect, and you can see can't access windscribe.com or log in into your app your on your restrictive network. Connect to emergency server that unblocks all of Windscribe. So make sure to try this out, and most of the time it should work perfectly fine, and I assume that it is going to be solving your issue. Once it does, good luck with this. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Make sure to also log in into the platform. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and see you guys in the next video.